Okay, in order to host a Zoom meeting, you may not need to sign up or sign in. You may host a meeting or join a meeting straight away. But I'd prefer to sign in so that people know who I am hosting. So I choose my Delima ID, and now I am signed in the Zoom. In order to host a meeting, I use this menu. If I were to schedule a meeting for a later time, I use schedule meeting. Now allow me to get back to host a meeting. I would like to host a meeting on screen share only. So I click on it. All I have to do now is wait for the connection. I have to select the screen that I'd like to share, and here there is this option to share sound or not. Optimize for video clip. You may try with it on or off. See which suits you, and all you have to do is click on share. Once your Zoom Meet is hosted, here you can find the menus for the audio and video. Here I would like to show the advanced sharing option, where you have option to share screen of more than one participant. I'm not going to do that now. What is important here is how to invite participants into the Zoom Meet. So click invite, copy the invite link or the invitation, send it to them, and wait for them to join. And the moment they join, we will have to admit them with the menu here. Thank you.